Well, I think, yeah, I was never a fan of workouts and gym. And I remember I've been working out in Sanju sir's gym since the last 10 years. And after 3 years, he came down and said, मैं तेरे को 3 साल से gym में देख रहा हूँ. कोई difference तो आया नहीं है, तो करता क्या है यहाँ? But good evening, everyone. Firstly, congratulations to Bhushan sir, Umang sir, Sandeep. I think the trailer was wonderful, as you all have seen today. Um, it's amazing to see Sanju sir back on screen. I think this is his first release after his release. And like Raju sir said, we all have missed you so much. And when we see you on screen, it is magical. You know, something happens deep within. I think like all of us out here, I'm such a huge admirer and fan of yours, Sanju sir, because I have had the good fortune of knowing you as a person. I've interacted with you since I was a child. So I know your heart. And I'm really happy and welcome back to the movies. I think we all missed you a lot, sir.
करते वक्त मुझे जो कुछ संजय दत्त के बारे में पता चला वो मुझे भी नहीं पता था, तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म में आप संजय दत्त बने हैं जो आने वाली बायोपिक है?
वेल शेयर तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि विदु सर मुझे मार देंगे बट जी मैं संजू सर को बचपन से जानता हूँ, लेकिन जब हमने बायोपिक पर काम करना शुरू किया तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये एक्चुअली बायोपिक नहीं हो सकती, ये एक्चुअली एक साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, क्योंकि ऐसी लाइफ एक इंसान को जीना, मतलब आप मेरे समझ में ही नहीं आया कि ऐसी लाइफ कौन जी सकता है. मुझे एक्चुअली अभी कल की बात है जब संजू सर ने मैसेज किया कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आ जाओ, तो सडनली मुझे एहसास हुआ अरे यार ये तो मेरा ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है. फिर पीछे से एक दूसरे रणबीर ने मुझे टपली दिया और कहा कि तुम कभी संजय दत्त बन नहीं सकते, ज़रा इतना फुदको मत, संजू सर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड अटेंड. तो मैंने एक साल इनको एम्यूलेट करने की कोशिश की. प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन नॉट जस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री बट इन द कंट्री. समथिंग दैट वी ऑल कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ, वी कैन टेक सो मच फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ. बट हाँ, जब मैं कभी सोचता हूँ बायोपिक के बारे में, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में, यही मेरे सोच में आता है कि ये साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, ये एक ड्रामेटिक या रोमांटिक फिल्म नहीं है. वेल यू सी माई फादर इज़ अ वेरी इमोशनल मैन. आई थिंक व्हाटएवर ही सेड वाज टू प्रोटेक्ट me in some way in his where he was coming from. I don't necessarily agree with that he did that or that what he said. Like I said, Jaga Jasoos is something that we worked for 3.5 years. We all were aware of what we were doing, how it was being made. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. But I don't look at it as a failure, I look at it as a learning. I think it's given me a lot. The experience of working with Anurag Basu again and everybody involved in the project. So yeah. I can't answer for somebody else, but I don't necessarily agree with everything that he said.
Sorry. Or is it a pressure to actually be in the biopic after after a flop?
Well, it's a mix of both. Pressure, I hope that I don't break the jinx. No, but to be honest, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, not because of his, the ratio of hits that he has, he's one of the finest filmmakers, the finest storytellers in the country. And because I've had the now opportunity to work with him, he works really hard on his scripts. He works really hard, very passionately. And there is no substitute to that. Having said that, there is no formula to success. Anurag Basu and me worked on a film called Barfi before Jaga Jasoos, which was quite successful. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you work with this person, then you're guaranteed success. If you work with this person, पता नहीं क्या होगा. Films is something which nobody has cracked the formula to. But I'm just happy that I'm working with such amazing people. And I can do such amazing parts.
Just